Today we're going to be hearing from our professional dancers at Ballet Palm Beach, so please stay tuned. Hey, you want to stay motivated? I do every day. Yep. Madeline is going to help you with just that. This is Cheryl Ale, the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am here teaching you, the dancers, and you, the teachers, to be the very best you can be. So, follow me. Here we go.
How to stay motivated as a ballet dancer. As ballet dancers, we start our day off with a ballet class for about an hour and a half, rehearse all day. It's easy to kind of get caught up in the same rut of thinking, whether it be negative or unfocused. Sometimes the teacher will not give you as many corrections and you feel a little bit out of the loop. But being a ballet dancer is a very mental occupation. You have to be thinking all the time and thinking positively and effectively. Sometimes you can learn from your other dancers, your partners. You can watch them, hear what the teacher is saying to them, and apply it. Always be applying. You can always become a better dancer. You can always grow. You're never where you are, whether it be in doing different roles. That's a big, important thing to really get into character. Even when you leave the studio after a full day of rehearsal, it's important to be thinking about what you want to bring to the table for the performance for you as a dancer. It's a lot of internal conversation. And I would say that's the most important thing. Your brain is the most powerful muscle. And it's very important to use it the right way, and to come in every day. It's a new day, whether yesterday was horrible, today's gonna be great. You have to make your day what you want it to be.
We would love it if you would subscribe. Really, I would love it. Also, go check out CherylAle.com. It's really cool. And this channel is all about helping dancers dance better, teachers teach better. Remember, hit that subscribe button and I'll make you the best in the whole wide world.